Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Mystic Holistic. I'm your host Dr. Vibha Pawar, and in today's session we're gonna do a quick tarot reading for the sign Gemini for the month of August 2021. So Gemini, let's get started with your reading for August 2021. Interesting. Wow, these are good readings. These are good cards. Let me also pull up one Oracle energy card for you, Gemini. The overall energy for the month of August, Gemini, for you is Door to Spirit. So let's get into the details of the messages. Okay, so Gemini, for you in your recent past, you have the Five of Wands. So Five of Wands represents a conflict, a battle. This could be inner conflicts that you are going through, or these could be some conflicts that are happening in your workplace. But this is in the recent past. Right now, in your current energies, you have Six of Swords and 10 of Cups. So Six of Swords represents that you are moving away from something which is bringing you a lot of happiness, which is bringing you a lot of family time, or overall a prosperous time for you, is what your current energies are mentioning. So you're moving away from this conflict for sure, which is actually making you happy right now. Your recent future represents Eight of Swords. Now, Eight of Swords represents that there would be certain restrictions and certain limiting beliefs that you will carry forward in your future, which will stop you from moving ahead. Okay, now this is a card of obstructions, basically, because when you have this card, you have no clarity of thoughts. You are feeling bounded by certain responsibilities. So Eight of Swords is something that you have to overcome yourself, because the only person that is stopping you over here is you yourself. The moment you free yourself from here, you can see that there is a better future that awaits you. So in your recent future, you might attract certain energies which will be bounded by limiting beliefs, and which will limit your prosperity that is coming your way. So don't fall for such negative thoughts, is what the spirits would advise you. In your environment, we see Three of Cups. So there is a celebration that is coming your way, or that is happening. You have a celebrity energy all around you. And in your current energies also, you see 10 of cups. You are having fun time with your family. There is a prosperity that you are able to enjoy right now. So this is a supportive energy for you as well. In your hopes and fear, you've got the Magician. So Magician is a major arcana card. So being a magician means that you are able to manifest anything and everything that you can become. You just have to think about it, and you have all the resources to become that. So this is a very good card to come in your hopes, because this card means that you are hopeful for becoming something better, for moving in the direction from the conflict to moving into direction that is actually going to make you something better. It is only your thoughts that has to be aligned with the universe, that you can manifest anything that you desire at this moment. But be very careful of this energy, because this is a limiting belief that is stopping you from manifesting this energy. So overall energy for the overall energy for the reading is Ace of Swords. Now Ace of Swords is a very good card. Like all the aces, it represents new beginning. Ace of Swords means that there could be an air sign that is coming your way as well. So keep an eye on the new relationship, especially with the air sign that is coming your way, or new career path, or a new job opportunity that you're going forward to. So if I have to read this overall reading with respect to your love relationship, then there is definitely a conflict that has happened in the last relationship or the past relationship that you had, which has led to certain limiting beliefs, which is stopping you yourself from moving ahead and manifesting better things for you. But the moment you are able to take care of all these limiting beliefs, trust me, when you move away from those limiting beliefs, you will be able to manifest anything and everything that your heart desires, and there is a new beginning, a definite new beginning coming your way. With respect to a career and finances, you will be changing jobs soon, and that is the only way you can actually receive a lot of prosperity, peace of mind and abundance, and a lot of family time as well. Because in your current job structure, you might be having certain conflicts that are coming your way, which you may not be able to win. So it is better that in time you should move ahead and look for a change, or look for a better opportunity coming your way, because there is an opportunity that is coming your way. So you just have to start exploring, stop with your limiting beliefs, start exploring new avenues. There is a new opportunity definitely coming your way. Let's get a little deeper into your overall energy reading that is coming with a door to spirit. Okay, so door to spirit, whenever this card appears, it actually represents spiritual awakening and new beginnings. So couldn't be more right, Gemini. So the door opens into an expansive energetic realm where all new beginnings originate. The door actually opens into truly unlimited potential. For the changes that happen here reach deep into the core of your being. As such, this card often heralds your increasing power in the spiritual arts and deepening connections with the spirit world. Don't be surprised if you find yourself becoming more intuitive, more aware of spirit presence, and more powerful in your own healing practices. Now is the time to open up to unexpected guidance and inspiration of spirit, and to the magic and power of your true identity. So the overall energy does resonate with the Magician card and the Ace of Swords as well. There are new opportunities coming your way. definitely coming your way. Just overcome on your limiting beliefs and you're all set for greater good, newer opportunity which will resonate with your being as well. So all the best, Gemini. Thank you so much for listening. You guys have a happy August.